Hey guys, welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing everyone this beautiful 2024 Nautique G21. And we're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our boats. You'll see this beautiful mystic white with the admiral blue hull bottom. This is a very sharp looking boat. The beautiful tower, all mystic white, the swiveling board racks. They're the strapless board racks, which are really nice, makes it easy to clamp your boards in. As we work our way to the stern here, you'll see the nice big swim platform, admiral blue, which matches the whole bottom, which is kind of slick. You have cup holders on each side, the mocha brown sea deck throughout the entire boat, and you'll see that when we actually hop in the interior. Down below on this G21, you have the standard integrated Natique surf pipe, your integrated steering assist right here, which is very, very nice. Easy to maneuver this boat. You have your NSS, your Nautique surf system, and your NCRS right here, your Nautique configurable running surface. On the swim platform, you have a nice grab handle right here to get out of the water, which is really nice, makes it easy. Nice walkway into the into the cockpit. Nice easy steps, very easy on the knees. And what's really cool is actually this integrated tow point right here, and you can barely tell where it is. It's just integrated very nicely. It's tucked away, but if you want to pull a tuber or a spear from there, you certainly can if you want to. That was the exterior. Let's take a peek at the interior. All right, guys, we're inside this beautiful G21. And again, first thing I'm going to point out is this nice, beautiful walkway here into the interior. The mocha brown sea deck. It looks phenomenal against this mystic white interior. You're going to have some haze gray true weave accents, your admiral blue accents, which really ties into the theme of the exterior. Open up the hatches, and there's a lot of storage right now. There actually is a cover in this one, but you'll see there's integrated lighting in here to make it nice and easy to see what's in your storage compartments. They close up real nicely. You walk into the interior and you'll notice the tower and your strapless board racks that do swivel out, lock into place like so. You have two JL audio speakers up top with overhead lighting, which is really cool at nighttime. Nice integrated bimini top here. It folds out to the right and to the left when it's opened up, gives you a lot of shade. In the interior, in the cockpit area, you'll see you're gonna have storage underneath these seats. On this side, a cooler. On this side, again, another cooler, but technically you can remove that and you have a lot of storage space there. You have seats that flip up as backrests. I don't believe this one does, that one does not, but this one does. And then you can have a wake view bench here that slides out. Now you have some nice seating to actually look back at your riders, like a wake surfer or a wakeboarder, which is really nice. That slides back into place. Fold that down. As we get to the actual helm itself, you have a beautiful setup here. A nice race car inspired captain's chair with cutouts here, just to make it easy for the captain to quick turn around and talk to people in the cockpit. Beautiful upholstery, nice stitching. Again, the haze gray true weave here, great bolstering in the midsection and in the thighs. On the armrest here, nice and coated rotary dial to control the link pan array screen here. It's also a touchscreen, so don't forget that. You have physical buttons and it's all touchscreen, which is really cool. Your throttle's in a great position. A nice steering wheel here, 3-spoke design, leather wrapped. It's very, very nice. On the dash here, you have a little tray up here. You could throw some wallets or a phone. You have a nice phone holder right here. On the passenger side, a nice big passenger chair here. Flip it up, you have storage underneath. And again, there is lights in the storage area. Makes it easy to see things. Garbage can with garbage can access actually in the walkway here, which is really nice. Makes it easy to throw out your drinks or your trash when you're out on the lake for the day. Recessed glove box, open it up, nice storage in there. JL audio head unit along with USB chargers and music hookups if you want to control the music that way. Otherwise, it's Bluetooth. Makes it a lot easier. Wave front speakers in this G21 on each side here, making the audio just that much better. Up in the bow itself, very, very spacious in this G21 bow here. You have a filler cushion. That's how we have it optioned out. You can flip this over to the other side, and it's sea deck, so it's a walkway all the way out the bow if you want that. Otherwise, you have flip-up armrests here. You're going to have cup holders on each side of the speakers, and they light up. This boat does have the enhanced courtesy lighting package, which means you can change the colors of this G21, the cup holders, to whatever you like: green, blue, pink, and you can do it all from the link pan array very, very quickly with a few touches of the screen. So really cool setup, really cool G21, very nice colors. This boat is located at our MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, stop on in or give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out, answer your questions, and potentially get you in a G21. Thank you for your time. Take care.